Hey friends, in this video you are gonna learn 10 zoology facts you may not aware of. So let's get started. First of all, do you know only female mosquitoes bite to get blood meal to produce eggs? Octopus has 9 brains, a central brain between their eyes and a mini one in each eye, 3 hearts and his blood is blue. Starfish does not have brain and blood. Seawater is pumped throughout their body as a replacement for blood. Its nervous system takes care of brain job. Turritopsis nutricula, immortal jellyfish, is the only non-species that never dies and lives forever. Surprisingly, once it reaches to adulthood, it can transform its cells back to childhood. How cool it is not it? Believe it or not, lobsters and crabs have teeth in their stomach. Do you know the so-called jungle king, the lion, is so lazy and does not hunt most of the time? Female lions do 90% of the hunting and our so-called king enjoys the party. Every cow has a best friend and they hang out every day. When cows were separated from their best friends or fellow cows, their heart rates increase as a sign of stress. Cows are so kind hearted and generous. Probably this is why in India people worship cow. Do you know a group of owls is called parliament? Now please don't laugh when you see your minister in parliament. Do you know squirrels adopt orphans? This is why I really like them. Do you know rat laughs? Last but not the least, mayfly lives for only 24 hours. For more facts like that, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share this video.